Let's create contract through a contract wizard. This part is located under the Contract Management menu. When I click on it, this page will be displayed. First, I will choose the rate code with which I want to define the prices. Then I choose the room and board type for which the contract will be valid. Then I will define the validity period. In my case, this will be from 25th of December until 9th of January. This will be the refundable price. Now I will enter the price for single room. After this entry, double, triple, quadruple room prices will automatically come based on the previously defined room coefficients. Of course, I can also manually change these, like this, for example. From here, I can define the price that will be valid for extra person. For example, for every next person, I want to charge 70 Turkish lira. In this part, I can define the price conditions for children when they stay in double or single room. Prices in the first row will be applicable for the first child, while the one below is for the second one. These columns refer to elder, younger child, or baby. In our case, if a child between 6 and 11.99 is staying in a double room with adults, I will define 50 Turkish lira price. In case of a second child, if I want to charge them regardless of their age, I will enter price in both fields. But in case there is a child staying with the adult in a single room, and in every combination I wish to charge room price for this child, then I define the price like this. After that, when I wish to enter new period, this screen will open in front of me. The period range here is equal to the periodic range I set the first time. These dates and first price I entered for double room automatically come. I can change the first double price and also the period as well. For example, I wish for prices to be valid until 26th, not 25th. From plus button, I can change the prices for each new period as long as I want. For example, I can sequentially define it as 300, 350, 400 Turkish lira, or here I can define for the price to fall back to 300. I can define as many periods as I want, or I can easily change the validity period. After making the desired changes, I can apply it. As you can see, System automatically added each period in the tab with the prices defined based on my initial condition and price coefficient settings. Here I define the prices for only one room and board type. If necessary, I can also duplicate these settings for other room types as well. Here I select deluxe room, room-only board type, and define price of 220 Turkish lira. After clicking on Apply button on my contract screen, I will have my prices automatically defined for both standard and deluxe room. I can make these adjustments for any room or board type. Upon saving, contract will be created. These contracts are located under contract and rate codes. Here under the ERS price code, I can see every defined contract. Or, if I want to see all defined contracts, by selecting Contract Details menu, I can see all active, passive, or deleted contracts in the system.